All right, so on the last video, we left off, I had not solved for the, it says find the fifth term, so you would do a sub 5, and then that means n equals 5. So I'm going to substitute a 5 wherever I see the n, okay? And then you just type that into your calculator. All right, so I've got 81. Is the first term, 1/3 is the ratio, and then 5 minus 1, and then you hit enter. And so that fifth term is 1. All right? So now what's different, though, is we know the third term. All right? But we can figure this out using our formula. It's just that instead of the nth term, all right, we know this, our last term is 4. All right, and so if it's not the last term, well, so we'll leave it like that. So the last term is 4. So we'll say instead of a, we have a to the n equals a to the last term equals the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference. All right, so we're going to basically, we have n's and 1s, all right? So, but now what we're saying is that our last term, this nth term, is a 3, right? So we're going to go ahead and wherever, now n is 3, okay? So we still have the first term. We don't know this time. We don't know the first term. And I've got n is 3. Oops, so it's minus 1, right? It's always this minus this. And instead of n minus 1, it's 3 minus 1 because n is 3. And then I have my difference is 7. Okay? And then now substituting what we know. We know a sub 3 is 4. I don't know a sub 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2 times 7. It's 14. All right? So I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. So I get negative 10 equals the first term. Now I can write my explicit formula. So I know that a to the n is going to be the first term, which is negative 10 plus n minus 1, and then the difference is 7. Okay, so that's the formula. And I could tidy that up a little bit. I could say, okay, a to the n is negative 10. I'll distribute the 7. So that would be plus 7n minus 7. So a to the n would be 7n minus 17. Okay? All right. And so if I wanted to find the fifth term, right, given this, I would say, okay, 8 to the 5th, 8 sub 5, that just means n equals 5. So that'd be 7 times 5 minus 17. So a sub 5 is going to be 35 minus 17 is 18. So there's my fifth term, and this is my explicit formula. Okay? So that is 6B.